I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, opening the circle this evening. I am Quan Yin, calling on you to let the light in. I am Quan Yin, drawing the breath in. Drawing the breath in, allow yourself to be lifted to the garden. I am Quan Yin. Breathing in and releasing. Breathing in and opening. Breathing in. Imagine a flower. Imagine the flower that comes to you. We often have flower blessings in these circles. We often call on you. We often call on you to accept the flowers into your being, to receive the flowers. We often call on you from the garden, the flowers calling on you, the voice and the vibration of compassion calling on you. Stretch your body, open your body. Keep with your counting even as you listen and you breathe. Make sure you get 20 deep breaths into the body. Releasing through the jaw. And continuing to draw in those breaths. I am Quan Yin. We open the circle this evening with a message from the flowers. I am Quan Yin. The vibratory being of our nature, the divine flower nature, is merging with the vibratory being of the human nature. Those of you who open your hearts and open your beings, receive us. We have come to you in the form of flower blessings, and we have asked you to be with those flower blessings, to accept them into the third eye. Tonight we approach things in a new way. We ask you to receive the blessings of the flowers, our nature merging with your nature through the heart chakra. As you breathe, as you continue to breathe, open your hearts. As you continue to breathe, imagine your chests opening. The doorways to the temple of the soul in the heart opening. The veils shifting. The heart opening. Tonight, as you go through the ritual of calling the flowers in the garden, you will receive an imprint in your heart. This vibration merges with the heart chakra that you already resonate into the world and change the resonance of your heart chakra. I am Quan Yin. These are the blessings of the flowers. You are blessed by the flowers. The vibration of the flowers fills your heart, opening your chest, bringing your arms and elbows back behind you as easily and comfortably as you can. Open the chest, open the heart. I will ask you to tone 9 times. During the toning, there will be a raining down of flowers, and you will receive a flower or flowers into the heart chakra that will become your vibration, that will become your support, that will become your empowerment. I am Quan Yin. Holding the chest open and drawing the breath in. 9 tones to receive this blessing. The blessing is powerful and important. You are toning 9 times to receive the imprint of the flower vibration into the imprint of your current vibrational heart chakra. This will change you, bringing a softer energy to your ability to receive all that is good, all that is light, bringing a softer energy for your ability to give. Giving and receiving change. The energy of compassion in the vibration swirls through your being in your heart chakra. Opening the heart and the chest, breathing in deeply, shaking tension out of the body, preparing to receive. The nourishment and nurturing of the flowers into your heart chakra. I am Quan Yin. 9 tones, arms open, chest open, palms open. Om. Om. sun, the violets, the daisies, the roses, the daffodils, the bluebells, the forget-me-nots, the camellias, the magnolias, the jasmine, the orange blossom, the tulip, the dandelion, the buttercup, the paper white narcissus, the freesia, the flowers fill your being, the flowers, the orchids, the lilies, the flowers fill your beings. Your nature shifts. The nature shifts first in the etheric body, and the physical body learns to vibrate with your new etheric body. What helps you is working with the vibrational essences, working with the essential oils and fragrances, pure fragrances of the flowers, the lavender, the ylang-ylang, the roses, working with the fragrance, working with the vibrations. The one that came to you, or ones that have come to you, are part of your nature and your essence, part of the family of who you are becoming.